Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn a new chapter. Lesson 3, Tools of Word Processor. In today's class, we are going to learn the uses of MS Word software, and we are going to see how to create the document and how to start the Microsoft Word. Children, the picture you see is the Word document. The word processor helps in storing, formatting, or manipulating the text document such as letter, report, etc. It provides different tools for selecting, copying, moving, deleting, and printing the text. After discussing the basic features of a word processor, let us study in detail about the other features in this chapter in upcoming class. Microsoft Word is an application software used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation, one of the world's largest companies in a software development. Let us see the features of MS Word. The Microsoft Word has the power and flexibility to type text as well as add pictures to a document. It makes changes in the text. It can also find and replace the text. We can set margins, spacing, paper size, page borders easily and give a neat look to the document. After working in the document, we can save the document for future use. We can also print a number of copies. How to start MS Word? Click on the Start and select all programs. Then go to the Microsoft Office. The list of software appears. Click on the Microsoft Word. Once you click on the Microsoft Word, the Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name. You can name it as document 1. So, click on the blank document, the Microsoft Word opens. Once you click on the blank page, a Word document appears. You can save this document with a temporary name, or you can also save it with any specific name in a folder. Saving a Word document in specific file name will help for future uses. To create a new document, as I said earlier, we have to select the file option. Then click New. Once we click New, a blank document appears. Select the blank document. So, these are the steps to create a new document in Microsoft Word. Components of word processor. As I said already, it provides different tools for selecting, copying, moving, deleting, and printing the text. Title bar. It displays the name of the current document and application in the center. To minimize, maximize, and close buttons are placed on the right side of the title bar. As I said already, the name of the current document, which is document 1, and the application name is in center, and the minimize, close, maximize button is in the right side corner. Quick access toolbar. It is a shortcut key which is placed on the top right. It has 3 icons: save, undo, and redo. The first blue icon is to save your document. The arrow icon is for undo and redo the content of the document. The file menu has different options. In case if you want to create a new document, we can click New. To open the existing document, we have to choose Open. To save any document, you can use Save or Save As. In case if you want to print a particular document, we can use the print option. Page setup is used to print a specific page of the document. Exit is used to come out of the document completely. Tables are the important tool in Word document. We can create a student mark sheet using tables. A table is an arrangement of data in row and column format. To enable the table option, click the Insert Table button on the standard toolbar. You can choose the number of rows and number of columns. For example, if you're giving 3 rows and 2 columns, it represents as a table in form of 3 rows and 2 columns. As I said already, to create a table, we have to select the Insert option first. In the Insert option, there is a drop down list. In there, you can select a table and give the number of rows and columns. What is an insert? The insert tool is used to add something to your document. Common items added to a document include clip art, tables, word art, and headers and footers. Children, using the font tool, you can change the style of letters, symbols, and punctuation mark in a document. Children, the image in front of you displays number 30. The number is used to change the size of the text. B is used to bold the text. I is used for italic. In case if you want to change your font style, you can use italic font or any specific font which is in the drop down list. U is used to underline the text. Children, I hope you all understood the features of Microsoft Word document. In today's class, we are going to do an activity. I want you to create a Word document and save the document in a folder. Thank you. Have a nice day, my dear children.